Guys, welcome back to Good Tips, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to fix Safari keeps crashing on iPhone as well as on our iPad and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. And the first one, when you're having these kind of issues, what you have to do is just have to check yourself whether you're on the latest version of the iOS. And as you can see that if you're on the latest version, you can go over here in the general and see whether that you're on the latest version. So if you're not on the latest version, then they will be definitely having an update option, so you just have to do an update. So as you can see that I'm on the iOS 15.0, which means the latest version. So same process you have to do for the iOS as well as for the iPad, and we have to move to the next one. So next one is all about, imagine that in most of the cases people always have a habit of tendency on opening much amount of Safaris on their browsers. So you just have to see whether you have been open much amount of Safari. So if you're having many amount of Safaris or tabs you're having, then most probably you have to throw it away and clear it away, and this is one of the solutions which I would like to make you notice. And moving on to the third one, it's all about you have to clear the cache as well as the histories, and to do this you just have to tap over here on the settings. Now from here you just have to scroll down a little bit and you just have to navigate to the Safari over here. You have to navigate to the Safari. So next solution is all about, you just have to clear the Safari, and in order to do this you just have to tap on the settings and you just have to scroll down a little bit and navigate to bottom over here. Now from here what you have to do is just have to click on the Safari once again and you just have to scroll down a little bit, and here there is an option called clear history and website data, which you just have to tap on it and clear it up. This is what you have to do. And moving on to the last solution is all about, what you have to do is just have to do a restart on your iPhone, which means force restart on your iPhone as well as on your iPad, and most probably this should be completely fixed. This is what you have to do, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.